Good morning guys! Ayan na silang dalawa Busy na and happy Monday. Today is Monday. Good morning, may kanchi. O si Indira and Mandira. Ayan. Today is, what did you call in Nepali?
Strada Titi.
Basta yun na yun guys, Strada Titi daw. Tutulong ako dito sa kanila. Hiwain ko itong cauliflower dahil si Mandira yung magluluto. So, dapat pala guys, walang mga sibuyas, walang mga bawang ang lulutuin. Hindi pwede, dapat plain lang. So, today, isa-celebrate namin ng very simple lang yung Strada Titi na tinatawag. In short, death anniversary ito ng tatay ni Buwa. So, dito guys, especially sa Hindu religion, ibang-iba sila pag nag-celebrate nito. Yung pag-celebrate namin, kami lang, very simple lang. Kung talagang aanuhin nila, kailangan ng may pare at napakarami guys na dapat ipiperform mo. Parang sobrang malalim pag ito ay sineselebrate talaga nila, and napakarami nilang mga beliefs na bawal araw na ito bumili ng kahit anong bagay. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng Strada Titi nila na tinatawag, ay ang death anniversary ng mga loved ones nila. So yung ngayon, ang gagawin, si Mandira yung magluluto at hindi rin pwede nilang tikman yung mga niluluto nila. Guys, yung lens ko, guys. Ayan na, nag-clear na. Nice! Because your house is too old already. Guys, hiwa pa si Indira ng patatas. Tapos ko na hiwain yung cauliflower. Luluto ni Kanchi Mandira. Hindi rin nila pwedeng tikman yung niluluto nila. Ibigay muna doon sa taong namayapa. So, ito na guys. Success! Indira, give me idea. Now I can cook every time may
I give her idea.
Siya pala yung nagbigay ng idea. She's the one who give idea. Then Indira give me idea. Because I never cook that.
And you give idea to...
Yeah. Now at least, if I cook curry, I can cook very
like
fast. Very fast in the microwave.
Yeah. You can put pulver.
Sabi nila ni Mandira, yung bahay namin doon, in our house in the village, totally gone. Totally gone. Itin muna natin to. Kasi achar ito eh. The achar is missing some recipe because we are not putting onion. Only cucumber and aloo. Oh guys, there is missing ingredients in this.
Yeah, but there is also but we will not allow it.
Limited.
Waking up, it's gone.
So guys, ito na yung achar ni Mandira. Pero hindi siya kompleto yung recipe kasi nga, since limited lang ang pwedeng mailagay this time. Sesame seeds ito, na-roast na siya. And yung patatas and cucumber. So, ito yung cauliflower.
Simple only, not
Simple lang kasi bawal nga. Yeah, I told them. Niluluto siya ng rice pudding. You know?
Yeah.
Rice pudding. Wala, masyadong maputi yung ating camera, guys. Pasensya na kayo. Ayan. Yung pagkain, nag-worry si Mandira kasi hindi niya pwedeng tikman yan. I-alay muna nila. Tingnan natin kung ano yung lasa ng kanilang niluluto, guys. So, this is the one that we buy yesterday. But this is not pure lemon.
Artificial. Will make by cooking big lemon.
Big lemon, no?
Yeah.
Like that.
Big one. Will using this one, but like this one, yeah, this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Mas malaki daw ito, guys, na lemon. Pero, why the color is black?
Because they are cooking in the fire.
Niluto daw nila sa fire.
That is why it's like this. And then making like... like that is more.
You try, Kanchi?
It's more sour.
So, ilalagay niya ito. Yung amoy parang smell is like, hindi ko maintindihan, parang pintura. It's like a paint, the smell. Fenugreek seeds, oil, and turmeric powder na yellow. You can put, magay ni Indira yung lemon. Kasi daw ganyan yung kulay kasi niluto daw yan sa fire. Nag-add din siya ng lemon.
Can I taste na? That's it.
only you put the salt in. Kasi di pa gusto niya ako isama talaga. So sabi ni Indira, baka gusto ka niya isama for company lang kasi nga wala siya talagang makakausap or maaano. So ganyan sinipa kasi para komportable siya ba. Gusto niya may kasama at gusto niya kasama niya ako. So alam ni Indira. So kaya alam ko din bakit gusto niya ako isama. So lalagyan sila ng tika ni Buwa and bibigyan sila guys ng pera. But Buhari, China, paisa China, Buhari, Daddy. Hindi narinig ni Buwa. Later on, he will. Paisa. Yan, main kanchi. Mila, paisa China? Wala ah. Wala, dalawa lang ang pera ni Buwa. Only two money Buwa have.
You already said it.
Why yellow?
Huh?
Because of the...
Yeah, we're not.
Kasi nga, if yellow represents... Oh, your paisa. Oh, namaste. Yeah, namaste. Only Buhari. We have a deal, me and Kanchi. May bibilhin kami, but that is surprise. That is surprise. We have to collect, ha? Oh, yan. May collection. May ano kami, we have deal, me and Kanchi. Soon, abangan nyo yan. Only me and Indira. What I will do? Ako ang tinuturo niya sandali. What daddy? What daddy tell me? What?
You'll put little, okay?
Ah, little.
You are the Buhari, na?
Ah, Buhari can put only. Okay, you take on. Now, Buhari job. Buhari job.
Start also there.
Start. At here? Dai. Okay.
Apa bani?
What?
Leaves will put outside, maybe the bird or dog will eat.
Later.
Yeah, Buhari.
This one?
No, this one. Buhari will eat at last.
After he ate?
Yeah.
And he will eat also. So, ayun guys, kakainin niya ni Buwa after niya kumain ng kanin. Kakainin niya yun. We will not put in the picture of Ajor Buwa, no need?
No picture.
No need na daw. Tapos, si Buwa ngayon is getting the leaves, yeah? Then we will put the one also. The cauliflower, dal, rice. Then the birds will eat. Buwa will offer it. In the rooftop, we will put or outside?
We can put it.
Kahit saan lang. That is why I saw everywhere, no? Sometimes outside.
Because this is the season, no? It's believed that we have to give.
Kaya pala.
Festival, the festival is coming.
Yeah, Festival of Crow coming also, yeah? Yeah. Sadong Festival din. And Cow Festival. Ayan.
My season also coming.
Yeah. Her season also is coming, guys. Her birthday is coming. When is your birthday, Kanchi?
27.
This October 27. Next month. So still oh no. This I thought this month is only September.
No, it's October.
So October 27. So what is your plan? And how old are you now, Kanchi? 25? 24?
Yeah, I'm old now.
No, 24?
24 finished and
25.
I start 25.
And you? 19.
16.
20. Now you will be turning 20.
23 I turn.
Now this one again, she's confusing me her age.
22.
No, she's not sure.
No, 23. I want to be 16 now.
Ayan na yung leave. So, how old are you? 22? 22 na si Indira. So, ito na yung dahon. Ayan. Ayan guys, papakain niya ni Buwa sa bird. Guys, kakain na. We will eat now. We'll eat for buwa first and dipak.
Yeah, okay, you put rice.
We'll put rice. You're not allowed.
No, I am, but I don't want to put rice.
Ayan na guys, nilasahan nila. Nun daw.
No salt.
You did not put salt.
I put, but
Lagay lang kami guys ng rice.
2 minutes later.
I don't know, the light is okay guys, pero if I take vlog here, sa mga nagtatanong bakit hindi ako kumakain dito. Kasi tingnan nyo guys, oh, pag kumukuha ako dito, nagbi-blink siya, di ba? Pero dito, tingnan nyo, oh, hindi siya nagbi-blink. I don't know why if I take vlog here in the, here, that's why I don't eat, because my video is blinking. Because of the light. Why like that, be? Pero okay siya guys, hindi na siya nagbi-blink kasi pinalitan na namin. Ayan o, nagbi-blink siya. Oo, you see my video.
Because of the voltage.
Because of that?
The voltage.
The voltage daw. So, ayan guys, kumakain na sila. Oh, yung rice pudding yan na. Yung sibuwa. Ayan, kain na ng sibuwa. Oh, pag dito, wala. O, tingnan nyo. Diba? So, yan yung reason. Bakit hindi ako nagbi-video doon at hindi ako umuupo. Kasi, nagbi-blink siya. So, hindi naman na hindi ako nakikisabay doon. Na-explain ko na yan. Walang problema yan dito, guys. Dito kasi ako, mas komportable, mas maliwanag. Ayan muna kami, guys, no? Kasi aalis ako. Sasama ako sa kanila. Little from your country. Can you eat here?
yeah.
You eat that much.
Why?
No, I cannot eat too much. May stomach will pain. Paborito ni Indira ang alu. Alu queen. Tayo. Yogurt. The sauce is okay now. Yeah. So, kain tayo guys. So,
Plate vacancy? Excellent.
Ruby, she was made for going west. Did not protest my wandering ways. Ruby, she was pretty as they come, 28 years young and unafraid. She gave me shelter on the coldest nights, shaded me on summer days. And I had never known my place before, but that's what Ruby soon became. Ruby, she wasn't good